Meaning of deconstruction.
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 Deconstruction. Deconstruction is a philosophical and critical movement that emerged in the 1960s, which seeks to expose and subvert the underlying assumptions and biases of language and culture. It involves analyzing and questioning the established frameworks, concepts, and ideologies that shape our understanding of reality. The result of deconstruction is not a new system or theory, but rather a destabilization and fragmentation of the dominant discourse, opening up new possibilities for interpretation and meaning-making. It challenges the notion of a fixed and objective truth, emphasizing the multiplicity and contingency of human experience.